Hi everybody, thank you for stopping by my channel. So today I am filming a 5-minute, very easy, quick affirmation meditation that you can do any time of day, but it really is a nice way to start your day if you have a few moments in the morning to get quiet, sit comfortable, you don't need anything but yourself. You can even do this lying down still in bed as you're waking up. Or if you find yourself without those few minutes, you can even put this on in your car. Really nice to fill your mind with positive thoughts. So you're training your mind, right? It's another tool for you to put in your self-love toolbox that you can use at any time to train your mind to speak positively, have positive recordings going on within yourself and start your day out with positive energy. So go ahead and either sitting down just comfortably, rest your hands on your knees, or if you want to take a meditation mudra, you can place your left hand on top of your right and touch your thumbs together. It's a nice mudra for meditation. Good. Or lying down, or maybe have your earbuds in your ear. Go ahead and take a few minutes right now to prepare yourself. And then once you're comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and an easy exhale out of the mouth. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the jaw. Again, take a deep breath in and a big breath out. I honor my sensitivity and treat myself with loving kindness. I am protected and safe. I am open to new experiences. I release all judgment. I am strong and confident. I surround myself with loving, supportive people. I am willing to see things differently. I speak to myself with kindness. I move through life with grace and ease. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I love learning new things. I have faith in my capabilities. I give to others without expecting anything in return. I open up to new chapters in my life. I honor and listen to my body's wisdom. I practice self-care and choose healthy food, thoughts, and actions. I am willing to grow. I am a forgiving person. I view life as an adventure. I am grateful for every day. I make time each day to connect to my higher power. I speak positive words to myself every day. Bring your palms together at your heart and take a deep breath in and an easy exhale out. Again, big breath in, big breath out. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.